So I just ate this much and candy that was inside of it. So I just asked Daddy to grab me some blueberries and an orange. I don't know, because I feel like eating an orange and some blueberries.
That's a big one.
So I had to investigate what's going on. See those like little dark chunks? It's black licorice. It's all throughout this egg. All the little...
They were sprinkles. Hold on.
And in case you didn't get enough, they provide you more in the egg.
Wow, we're packing up to leave, and look, it's cleared up. And we can see mountains. I should have brought more baggies. Today's gonna be great. So I really wanted to see a turf house while we're here, but most of them don't open till like June. We're gonna go around this loop and see if we can see them from the road. All right, time for another adventure today. This was not planned. We were on our way to a waterfall, so let's see where this takes us. You excited, kids?
Yeah!
They have Doritos, so they're great. I'm pretty sure we go straight. Here we go, off the paved road. How much?
So much.
Now the kids are awake for this. Watch out for sheep, okay?
Okay.
Pay attention to the road. Did you know that the most common reason for an accident is sightseeing while driving?
Look at that.
Stop it. Were people back then so much shorter? Bubbling.
I just got passed by a Yaris. Pretty sure that thing's got like 3 cylinders.
I have read that if you get a speeding ticket here, it is extremely expensive, which is not worth it. Plus, it's very beautiful scenery. But we are getting passed a lot for some reason.
Just got passed by a big van.
Everything will be all right.
Do you see the waterfall, dude?
Lily, you look like a ninja. Lily, please be careful. I appreciate Lily's sense of adventure, she wants to go there because those big kids are up there, which is very steep and narrow. And no. No. There's a cave. Clara's been waiting for this.
I know better than when I see a big muddy puddle in you. Come on back.
Lily, smile.
Woo.
We send the kids in. Check it out. What do you want to do now, Clara?
I'm going to cave.
You want to go in more caves?
Waterfalls.
You mean like that cave? Clara, like that cave? Do you guys want to go in?
Yeah.
All right, let's gear up. Uh-oh, she stopped. Lily. Go. I don't want to leave. That was so amazing. Goodbye, Seljalandsfoss.
Turn left.
These are my favorite waterfalls. Goodbye, Gljufrabui. Oh, I messed it up. Seljalandsfoss was amazing, but my favorite was definitely Gljufrabui. Gljufrabui. Okay, I nailed that one. That one I got. Now we're going to Skogafoss. Isn't that cute? Trying so hard.
Having a little snack.
Travel and lean.
After our snack, we are going to go look at the waterfall, and then we're gonna go climb up those stairs. Happy Easter!
Oh my God! What is happening?
It's raining.
It's not raining. That wasn't there before. Alright, well, my camera didn't work so well in there because it keeps pressing buttons! We're still in it! Oh my God, Clara. Yeah, turn around, let me see. Clara, off. Don't climb on the moss.
Alright, here you go. You know, I was gonna put my socks on the dashboard, now I can't. You wet? Not your feet? Nice.
All right, let's see what we came all this way for. Yeah, not bad. I think the sky's bluer here. Looks like once upon a time you could go there. Down at that lookout down there. 439 steps. Nice job, kiddo. I can't look. My legs are like shaking.
I'll carry her.
Aww.
Yeah. Send her back and I'll get her back ride.
Oh my gosh, my cheeks are so red. It's very hot here in Iceland, or I'm just too layered. Lily, see in that valley up on that mountain, there's like snow, and then as you go down, it turns into a waterfall. That's all the waterfalls here. At some point, there's snow. They're like from a glacier. Oh my gosh, Lily, look. You can see the top of that mountain. Look at the white peak. That's not a cloud. Wow. Lily, look. Okay, now you can tell that's Mountain Peak. It's such a clear day, you can actually see Westman Island all the way over there. Hey, pup. You wanna come play with the kids? He came right up to me. So let's go check out the place.
You guys are in this room.
Are you guys in that room?
Look what's in here.
This is great. Look at all these hooks.
We have bunk beds! We have bunk beds! Lily! We have bunk beds! Of course you can! Are those like your outside dogs?
Bye, doggies. Oh, you want me to throw the rock? You want me to throw? Oh. All right, one throw. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's not coming back for me. He's running. He's running with it. Well, we sure had a lot of fun at the waterfalls. So much fun that Clara's boots are all wet. Actually, it's probably more because she likes to jump in puddles. Oh, look at our buddy. He's hanging out by our door. You're gonna make me lamb, right?
Huh?
You're gonna make me lamb, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna make you green lamb.
Why is my lamb green?
Because you're cost conscious. And the red lamb is more expensive. So that was only 1,800. The other one was 2,000.
Yeah, one more time.
Happy Easter, Bubba.
Happy Easter, us, whoever's watching this video.
Look, on road.is, it's red, which means you can't go down it. And actually, it's illegal. Yes, you followed the rules. I tell you.
I didn't pay attention. Like, I don't know what that sign means. What does that mean?
I don't know. Slow down.
Oh, maybe.
What does this arrow mean?
Stay on this side.
Oh. I wonder if the water's hot. Think it's hot? Look at this hot. I want to touch it.
Right here. No, Clara.
Excuse me. I said to get your jammies on, brush your teeth, and brush your hair.
I'm still eating my caramel and Daddy's in her room.
So you've done the opposite of brush your teeth. You're still covering them with sugar.
Help. Wait. She's fine. She's done before.
Already did that. You missed it.
Are you're top bunk, right?
Yes. Again. I am.
No. No.
No bye. Let the door. No. Okay, so Clara, you sit on. There's nothing there. Okay, so you sit and you dangle your feet like this.
Lily, so I'll be the food monster and you'll be the person. Okay.
Hold on. I'll dangle your feet right here. So sit. Just sit.
Never!
All right, monsters. I love how you guys are playing so nicely together, but it's time to get ready for bed.
We play after.
Did either of you go potty yet?
No, nobody's done nothing.
Nobody's.
Daddy, what's your favorite part of this cabin?
The bed.
Which one?
Mine. Because I'm sleeping.
Oh!
We can't be held accountable for damages.
I don't know what he's looking at. He's not looking at me. Okay, he's like starting to freak me out a little bit.
Your butt?
Nothing.